Great that you're here to clear your mind and just paint along. Today we're painting colorful fish. All you need is your watercolor paints, a round brush, watercolor paper, a jar of water, and a paper towel. These unwinding sessions give you the opportunity to really slow down while actually creating something without any pressure or expectations. Maybe you find it difficult to paint something new when you don't have drawing experience. But know that everything can be divided into shapes, and these can be created with simple brush strokes. In the basics, fish have a streamlined body, fins to swim, and gills to breathe. Just paint along and find out for yourself how to paint fish with basic brush strokes. So let's get started. Do you see how I push and drag my brush to create the outer shape of a fish? And how I use the side bristles to fill in the space? With the tip of my brush, I create outlines or the shape of the fins and then fill them in. By adding a darker color on top of the wet shape, you'll create more depth and emphasize certain details of the fish. You can paint any fish you like. Salmons, sailfish, stingrays, whatever fish you come up with. Keep in mind that your painting doesn't have to turn out exactly the same, as this is some guidance and inspiration to get you started. Let this be your time of experimentation and try out things you haven't done before, like using colors you normally don't use. Imagine your own non-existing fish when you don't know what kind of fish you want to paint. This process of experimentation and letting go of the end result helps you to take more creative risks. And creative risk is a practice that can help us find the real magic of creativity. Of course, one of the main characteristics of creative people is that they are risk takers, in a way that they like to challenge their thinking. To take creative risk means not minding what others think and having excitement to put out innovative ideas into the world. So, because creativity is about something where we can't anticipate or guarantee a specific outcome, being creative turns out to be all about taking risks. Remember that creativity means different things to different people, and the needs and results vary a lot. Just be sure to understand your needs and the situations that will help you take the creative risks you're looking for. An exercise like this, painting something you haven't painted before, using colors you've never used, or trying to paint imaginary fish, helps you to get out of your creative comfort zone.